Boom, it's your boy. New merch is coming, you see it. Weather's been really good in Hampton, and it's time to go. But first, we still got some projects to complete. Spring cleaning has been finished. Oil change is done. Gotta fix the dinghy. That's something I didn't have on the original list, but duh, like how I'm gonna get off the boat if the dinghy is not fixed. So that's next. I made some phone calls yesterday. We're gonna be picking up some stuff today. And we're gonna get it going. Get it going. Get it going. I've been watching the weather, not like OD like I usually, I'm slowly getting back into it, but this weekend actually looked like a good run north. Feel me? Breeze out of the south, like I feel like it was like a southeast. So you feel me? Like coming across the bay, pushing you northwest. You feel me? It would have been a nice slide up to Annapolis, possibly. I'll probably post a video of predict wind so y'all see what I'm talking about. Cause it's coming. So I guess like my next op, usually it's like every 2 to 3 weeks, maybe 2 to 4 weeks, the weather patterns repeat themselves. So maybe in 2 to 4 weeks, it might be time to get up out of here. Also the moon, last night, perfect. Overnight sail, full moon. Full moon give you like low-key daylight. It's like you can see clearly now the moon is out. You can really see clearly. All right, my people, we are headed to Ace Hardware. West Marine obviously was too expensive. I don't know what I was thinking. Ace Hardware has pretty much everything I need, and for a little cheaper. Gotta save that money, you feel me? I like Ace Hardware too, because they usually be closer. It's Ace Hardware right down the street. So that's where I'm headed. Cop a couple tings, fiberglass repair kit, some 5200, and a little paint remover. The more I spend time on the boat, the more projects arise. I'm just like, I could do a little remodeling inside. Do a little this, do a little that. Before you know, got a laundry list of things to do. But I got all the time in the world, so I do want to get out of here, but there's no rush. So we're gonna keep working on the boat. It's cloudy, but it's not bad. The wind isn't crazy. And yeah, it's not really bad at all. I gotta check in with you guys at Ace. Time to go to work. The weather is here. It's been real cloudy and cold, so I haven't really done much outdoor repair work. But the sun is out. It's like 76. I got some new gloves, you feel me? Let's get it. So I tried to show you guys this before. You see it? That's from grounding, hitting the beach constantly. Who knows how many beaches, 15, 20 beaches up and down the coast, just grounding. So this dinghy's got plenty of travel. We're gonna sand it down a little bit all around and then lay up fiberglass. They said maybe like 5 to 6 layers of fiberglass should do it. Maybe I should have kept the long sleeve on. I don't know. It's crazy. Alright. We did a little bit of sanding. Now, surface prep, a little acetone wipe down, and then we're gonna cut the fiberglass pieces to fit our little area here. Let's get it. Acetone. Wipe it down nice and clean, you feel me? We want a good connection. I don't know if I should cover this. This is like a little notch, but like this is very obviously whole. I feel like this is where it's leaking at, up in here. But I don't want to have to do this multiple times. I think these are just notches, man. Everything's going through. This is definitely the problem, obviously. I guess we'll find out, man. Let's see what kind of fiberglass we got. I bought fiberglass from 2 stores, 8th and this boat store. We got 1 fiberglass pack here. This shit is fucking ridiculous. It's a lot of it though, so that's cool. This is like random strand mat. It's not any type of direction to it. So that's how much fiberglass we got. Well, that's not true, because I got more fiberglass. Hold on. What else you got? Yeah, what else you got?
Oh, yeah! What else you got?
See, this is like weave. It's fiberglass weave, which is dope. I might end up using this. It's just, it's in a better use for what I got going on. Save this for later or something. I like this one much better. It pretty much fits what I'm trying to do. Right here. Bang. And then cut this and then just keep laying layers on top of it. I might go a little wide, you know. So I'm gonna use this one. And I'll have the other one for something else, you know? Who knows? It's very windy, so I think I need to just like get started. Like, I think I can't test fit it. Just gonna cut and paste. Little nervous, but you know, I think that's what keeps us motivated, keeps things interesting, something, I don't know. All right, guys, we got this hardener resin mix. Let's get it on here, man. It said do a 2 to 3 inch area around where you're doing the repair. If this shit's gonna drip, I need it to drip here. Come on. It said some type of dab motion is how you do it. We're dabbing, we're dripping, we're getting it on here. We got 8 minutes, and I think I spent 2 minutes fucking with the camera. So let's see. We need a little bit of this. The wind is acting up, bro. Come on. Oh, God. Yep. Yippers. All right, it's on there. First piece is on there. Keep dabbing, keep dabbing. Got 8 minutes. I like how it's just kind of blending in, like, I like that. Get the air bubbles out of this motherfucker. Whew, I gotta calm down. Like 8 minutes, but it'll be all right. You gotta do what you can. All right, we got 1 layer on. You look good. You look good. Make sure it's nice and saturated. We'll do another layer. I'm doing like 5 layers. What can you even see? Yeah, you guys got it. All right. Another layer right on top. Might stagger them or something, I don't know. Now that kind of covers that questionable spot. Oh man, this shit's already hard. Damn it. You see? You see? Damn it, man. This shit is fucking jelly. I think I used too much hardener. So I've been at this for 4 minutes on camera, allegedly. If you didn't know, this is my first time doing fiberglass. That's not true, actually. I did fiberglass at work, but we used pre-preg, so I think the resin was already in the fibers, and once they went in the oven, that's when it got activated. This is like, once you mix the stuff together, it's gonna do its thing. So you gotta be quick. And obviously, I don't have an oven that can fit this dinghy in it, so this is how most people do their fiberglass. All right, we got that on there. And I gave up on the dabs, right? Come on, dab it in. All right. All right, one more I should be able to get in before it's completely dry. And then we'll do it offset on this side, right? Right in there, just like that. See why it said to pre-cut, but I don't know. Why don't we listen when things tell us to do stuff? I don't know. Please stay. Come on. It's sticking to me. Last little bit of resin. This is only 3 layers, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might sand it and then hit it again. They said once it dries, you gotta wait. Very ugly. Not gonna lie, but it is on here. That's what I got, man. 3 layers. I'll probably do another 3 layers in 2 hours or so. I don't know. All right, it's been a couple hours. This is nice and solid. Let's sand it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna add maybe 2 more layers. Let's get it. I don't think I've used this sander since we sanded the boat, like the entire boat. Yeah, thick. Oh boy. You know, it's always fun filming while you're doing work. So I gotta work the devices. I gotta actually do what I was supposed to do. Isn't it fun? That's so fun. Working on leaks today. Come on, don't wall out. We working on leaks today. Come on, camera. Figure it out. I'm moving around. Keep up. How you flip? Bang. On a ding. Never ready. Gotta pry this open. Can't just pop it open. How am I supposed to pry it? Come back here and get the skizzers. Pop that thing. There we go. Pop, 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 pop. Dang, you feel me? Fuck. The brush is fucked. New brush. Oh boy. Alright, I gotta put the camera down. I'll be back. I done lost the bag. Fucking bag has jumped ship. Oh, goodbye, people.